Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and this time we're demonstrating an AM-FM 8-track out of a 79 T-Bird. This comes from Bob in Birmingham, Alabama. Thank you, Bob, for your business all the way from Alabama to Arizona. And Bob has requested the modern internal conversion with a new harness in place of the original connector, so the unit's got a lot more output power now. And Bob has also requested the Bluetooth feature, so we're going to test everything before we send her back. Let's go ahead and turn it on. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get in my area, so we can demonstrate the balance and fader functions during talk radio and not get nailed for stealing somebody else's music. So let's turn it on.
Comeback in a series ever.
I
would think the Red Sox down 0-3 is a bigger triumph, although it's not
damn respect too.
I think they're both.
This was close.
Okay.
They're both right there. I mean, the Red Sox broke that big curse.
Okay, we're going to activate and adjust our front rear fader.
It's so down and out, not associated with winning at all.
I mean, yeah. I mean, we've
Fader adjust.
Okay,
come
so
from 3-1.
all the way front,
Celtics got it
all the way
before.
rear,
So it's good,
front,
but I don't know.
rear.
Great.
Okay, I'm going to center him.
Maybe I'm.
I don't know. 73 win Warrior. Fader set.
Okay, left, right,
I
balance.
think he can make a case. Shane is it
Balance adjust.
you have the greatest sports
All the way
triumph
left.
of all time.
All the way
Hey
right.
guys, I recognize
Left.
this doesn't have the prestige
Right.
and the nostalgia
Okay, I'm
of
gonna
a
center 'em.
team team. But
Balance,
Balance
set.
set. Okay, let's make sure the
you
Bluetooth
know,
goes into
I gotta
pairing
say
mode.
My Boise State Broncos.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. We don't need this stuff anymore. Okay, now we're going to move over to FM, and I have all 5 station presets to stations in my area for a quick test. So here we are. Now we're on FM.
Party charges will apply. See website for additional.
He began it with the.
You're going to have to leave.
Okay, let's try the 8-track.
To your wonderland of love, Lord, I know. 7 days. What they're saying, it's a lonely world. What do? I'll survive, girl.
Okay, we're running a little fast. I'll fix that before I ship it. That's just a quick adjustment of my speed control board. So we're basically ready to go here, and you probably can't see it, but I can. The dial light is flashing on and off in response to my pressing and releasing the button, so we're good to go. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, and please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because all my options and prices, including options for turnaround time, are right there in the work order. And then that way, if you'd like to call me, it's going to be a much faster phone call, so that I can get back on the bench where the work actually gets done. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Bob, for your business all the way from Birmingham, Alabama, and I will fix the speed before shipping it, and we'll see you next time.